Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and as you all know, SpeedCubeShop offers a wide variety of lubricants with which you can customize your speed cubes. Ranging from fast to heavy to controllable, every single lubricant on their website has its own strengths and uses. But today I thought to myself, what if I mix every single SpeedCubeShop Cosmic lubricant and put it into a speed cube? Okay, I lied. I don't actually have every single Cosmic lubricant. I'm still missing Solar and Jack-o'-lantern and Candy Cane and I guess Vortex as well. However, that's a core loop, so it doesn't really matter. Anyways, the 3x3 I'm using for this is the Yushin Little Magic M, which was a great budget cube for its time. However, in my opinion, the RS3M 2020 and the Meilong M are much better than this. It also feels a little bit dry and a little bit sluggish at the moment. So yep, I'm wondering how the Cosmic Lubes will affect this puzzle. Now I don't really think the order in which I put these loops in should really affect the performance of this puzzle. So I just used a random order generator and this is the order I'll be putting the loops in. If you want to buy any of these loops or any cubes, be sure to get it at SpeedCubeShop and use the discount code RAM for 5% off your order, as well as a shout out at the end of my latest video. By the way, all of these loops say that I should be putting in 6 drops of each, so yep, that's what I'm going to be doing. Let's begin with Nebula. Alright, I'm just putting in my 6th drop and I'm not going to turn this yet. Let's just move on to the next lube. Alright, so next we've got Galaxy and I'm going to be putting in 6 drops as well. Alright, I just finished up with Galaxy. Let's just move on to the next lube. Next up we've got Stardust, which is the fastest of the bunch, so let's just do it. And here is the last drop. Wow, that smells so nice. Alright, next we've got Lunar, which is the other fast lubricant. And here is the 6th drop. Alright, next we've got Cosmos, which used to be called Controlius, and as you guys can probably guess by the name, this is a very controllable lube. And here is the 6th drop of Cosmos. And yep, let's move on to the next lube. Next we've got Martian, which is one of my personal favorites. Let's just go ahead and put 6 drops of this as well. And lastly we've got Comet. And let's just put in the last drop of Comet. And before I turn this cube, let's just apply that SCS logo. Alright, here it is, and now let's get into the moment of truth, the first turns, and they are very gummy. As you guys can hear, the cube has gotten much softer. However, it's not as slow as I expected. I mean, it is slower than before, but it's not nearly as slow as I had expected. Okay, the M slices feel very gummy and the cube is slipping out of my hands right now. Let me just go ahead and wipe this. Look at how lubey that is. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but just look. It's so wet on the outside. Yep, so I just wiped it down and overall I actually quite like this. It does feel a little bit slower than I would like. However, it doesn't feel dry anymore and overall the feeling is pretty pleasant. I mean, obviously it wouldn't feel dry anymore. I just put like 42 drops of lube in it, but whatever. So yeah, overall, not gonna lie, I actually really like the feeling of this. It feels a lot better than I had imagined it feeling. But for now, I will do some solves, break this puzzle in and get back to you guys with my final thoughts. Alright, so I've done a good amount of solves on this puzzle and here are my thoughts. The gummy feeling has pretty much gone away and the cube overall feels really nice and smooth. But as a lot of you may have expected, the setup is really slow. Even after a fair amount of break-in, it's still quite a bit faster than I would like, and overall I can't really execute my last layer algs too well. The second problem I've faced is more of the cube's fault and not exactly the setup's fault. It is the fact that the cube gets way too many catches for it to be usable in competitions, and this is expected considering it's a 2017 budget cube. So overall, it was quite fun to dump every single Cosmic Lube into my cube. However, obviously I won't be recommending this setup and I just recommend sticking to a simpler setup. So that about wraps up my video on putting in every single SCS Cosmic Lube into this 3x3. Overall, Cosmic Lubes are pretty great and I'd highly recommend them. Thank you all for watching this video and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.